Hey everyone, Namaste, this is Guru Dharm. Today we will learn how to make our arms very stronger. Many people, they have a complaint with their body that my arms is so weak, my arms is not strong, I don't have the arms strength. So I will give you very basic few techniques that you can try every day 5-7 minutes. So make your very perfect arms. Your arms will be very good shape first. Second, you will have strength, and the third, you will have a lot of arm strength benefits. So there are already so many videos that you can see also the Indian push-up over here in this link. So Indian push-up also can help you to make your arms stronger. Sun salutation, moon salutation can help you too. But today in this class I would like to share some very useful technique. But before we start, I would like to ask to subscribe my channel and ring the bell icon, because otherwise you will lost so many video, so many information, so many knowledge from the foundation. So that's why I'm here to help everyone. So I need your support to share this video with your friends. If you like it, subscribe, and like, dislike, that is your right to do it. And I'm going to share right now some very useful technique that you can practice at home. There are only few techniques that can help you to make your arms strong. So let's begin. So whenever you're here, so whenever you practice the asana, you do cat-cow posture. So after the cat-cow, you can move to the front, and go back. This is one technique. Stay here. Activate your fingers. Okay, very good. Now we move to the left and the right, side to the side. Okay, once we move the side to the side, okay, then slowly go back. Bring your hip back, elbows down, and slowly head to the floor. Come back. Extend your elbows, comes front. So this is a one technique. Then you can do it often, 5 times, 7 times, 10 times. So as much you feel comfortable, that much you can do properly. Very nice. Okay, so the next technique will be elbows down and elbows up. So this is, if I will show you from the front view, you can be more understand. So here, elbows down, one by one, and elbows up. We will just try to do 5 rounds clockwise and 5 rounds anti-clockwise. And if you feel tired in few rounds, even not 5 rounds, so feel free to take a rest. Whenever you are done, so do not move your shoulders left and right. So keep your hands out. Stay here, contract your core muscle, keep breath normal. Stay here for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, then switch. So stay here, keep breath normal, then come back. And then touch your shoulder and come back. Then touch another. Many people, they do the mistakes, like whenever they lift the hands, they move the upper body to the side. So we don't move. And when they touch the here, we just move the body. So we don't move the shoulder. Make sure the shoulders is in one place at the same every time. So if you lift the hand or if you touch the shoulder, so your hands will be, your shoulders will be the same place. So this is the second variation. So do not move your pelvic or your shoulder to the left and the right. Very good. So right now you can try this one, and also you can see if you will do it this one only few times, then you can see how your arms start to work. Okay, the second technique I would like to teach you, like to share the experience how you can move your shoulder, internal and external rotation. So if you can see, whenever we are opening hand, so over here is the extra fat, over here is the extra fat is down, the triceps muscle. So engage the triceps muscle. So how you can do that? So palm facing up, palm facing down, and turn to the other side. So palm facing up again. So your elbow will be up, your engage the shoulder. So shoulder in the socket automatically, and then keep it lock here, and the lock elbow and the lock shoulder. Wrist palm facing down. So you can see there is no have any extra muscle. So it's engage automatic. So if you don't engage your extra muscle over here, so you'll be here like this, but whenever we engage, so it's going. So we have to internal rotate. And after that, elbow lock, shoulder lock, the palm facing down. Stay here. Then if you will stay here only 30 seconds, you can look at the watch, just 30 seconds. If you will watch here, stay here, you will feel your shoulders is amazing, giving you some message. Wow, something like that. So slowly relax. So if you feel too much engagement or too much tight muscles in your shoulders and the arms, okay, then relax. Relax the muscles, rub your palms, palm finger interlock together, palm facing up, stretch, swing left and right. Okay, now you get ready to do sun and moon salutation. So whenever you're practicing anything, anytime, any kind of yoga that you like it so much, try to practice these techniques as your regular. So feel free to share this video, and if you like it, you understand, and then if you understand, try to observe your body, that how much you can have the benefit. So if you have some benefit from my other videos, from your knowledge, from any experience, I'm waiting for your comment. Feel free to comment. I will be so happy to see your comment now, everyone. So see you soon in the next video. Namaste everyone. Bye bye.